Hi, Dr. Grace Carol P. Beltran, your dermatologist, dermatologic and aesthetic surgeon, your genetologist, and your obesity resource person. By the way, maikikwento ko sa inyo. Kasi ako ay naimbita, I was invited to a talk about a certain gadget. Ngayon, itong gadget na to ay napakaganda, kasi nag-attend ako ng second talk nila. By the way, I want to introduce myself first. Before I became a doctor, I was a physiotherapist or a physical therapist. Ang pre-medical course ko is physiotherapy, no? That is about 4 years of study. I graduated from UP SAMP, University of the Philippines School of Allied Medical Professions. That was a long time ago. Tapos, nag-medicine ako, nag-doktor ako, at saka ako ay, pumunta sa abroad, no? Para mag-practice ng physiotherapy. I worked in New York for a year practicing physiotherapy. But I decided to go back to the Philippines because I was accepted at the UPPGH Rehabilitation Center. Kaya I became also a rehab doctor for about 3 to 5 months. And finally, I realized that that is not for me, so I went into dermatology. So I have a training in physiotherapy. I'm a graduate of physical therapy. And then I also had a training, a little background in rehabilitation medicine before I became a dermatologist because I'm happy with dermatology. So anyway, yung i-discuss ko kasing gadget has something to do with physiotherapy. That's why I mentioned my background in physical therapy. Yung gadget na i-discuss ko, yung tinatawag na transcutaneous auricular vagus nerve stimulation. Ito ay napakagandang gadget, no? Very innovative, nanggaling sa Taiwan, approved in other Asian countries, and I think in some other countries, no? Hindi ko lang matandaan kung ano pang bansa bukod sa Asia. FDA approved siya. So, ang function ng gadget na to ay maganda, napakaganda when it comes to rehabilitation medicine and physiotherapy. Kasi it is now being used to help in the therapy of those patients who had stroke, no? O kaya meron kang naging spinal cord injury, anything related to central nervous system disorder or spinal cord disorder, pwedeng gamitin tong gadget na to. So, i-mention ko yung ibang indications niya, no? So, it is used for disturbance of consciousness, like for example, na-stroke ka, nagkaroon ka ng intracerebral hemorrhage, severe stroke, na bedridden ka, you could also use this para mapabilis yung rehabilitation mo at ikaw ay makalakad agad. Kung ikaw ay may migraine at saka may cluster headache, pwede mo rin gamitin. It is also being used for Parkinson's disease, for anxiety, depression. So kung meron kang problema sa emotions, pwede rin itong gadget na to doon. Tapos ginagamit din siya for autism spectrum disorders, for epilepsy, okay, for Alzheimer's disease. Yan. At saka for actually I heard it is also being used for obesity and some hearing loss problems. Ngayon, ang kagandahan nito, hindi siya invasive, no? Hindi siya yung tinuturok, ini-inject, o kaya sinasurgery. Pero may dalawang klase kasi ito, implanted at yung non-implanted. Yung invasive at saka non-invasive. I'm talking about the non-invasive. Yung non-invasive kasi ilalagay mo lang sa auricles mo, dito sa tenga, earlobe. You have to wear it for 30 minutes twice a day. At after several days, you will begin to experience some changes in whatever problems you are having. Yun. So, i-discuss ko next time yung iba't ibang sakit na pwede nating paggamitan dito. And ang maganda dito, you can also use it to monitor your diabetes. No? Kasi meron din siyang 1 minute monitoring para malaman, lumabas kung ano yung blood sugar mo. So, hindi ka na kailangan turuk-turukan. Tapos yung iba pang problema mo, kunyari may iba ka pang health problems, pwede ring lumabas doon yung mga specific changes na dapat mong malaman about your health. Kaya napakaganda ng gadget nito and it's only 37,500 and transferable. Ibig sabihin, 10 to 20 people can use it. Basta as long as you have your own cell phone, you can use it, no? The entire family can use it. Transferable nga po siya. So if you have any problems, please just call my numbers if you have any questions about this gadget. And also please like, share, and follow my account. Thank you.